Olunaku olwaleero wano mu kibuga Kampala ku Parliamentary Avenue mu maaso ga kizimbe kya Ministry of Justice, omwami Benjamin Agaba era ng'amaze okutegeerekeka nti ye Benjamin Agaba agambibwa okuba nti no yalabiddwako n'akacupa kalimu kagambibwa okuba nti no kabaddemu peetirooli n'agikwata n'agyeyiira n'amala ne yeekumako omuliro. N'oluvannyuma lw'okukola ekikolwa kino, poliisi eyabadde okumpi ku geeti ya Paalamenti yamuddukiridde n'ekozesa amazzi gonna ge yasanzeeyo ku mwati ne muzikiza. Yaddusiddwa mu ddwaliro gy'ali kati ng'era tutandise okunoonyereza ku ki ekimutanudde okuba nti ne yeetuusaako ekikolwa kino. Okunoonyereza kukyagenda mu maaso, tujja kuba tuwabulirako ebisinga wewanabaawo ekipya.
I am not sure whether it was her or himself. I didn't see very well the face because the trouser is not enough to tell. But he or she was putting on a yellow trouser. Right Honourable Speaker, I expected this matter to come in your communication. It brings a lot of questions. What was the intention of this person that left his home to come and set himself on fire in front of Parliament? What was he expressing? Did he communicate anything? Is it an attempted suicide? Is it a terrorist action? So not getting information, details on that action leaves us in suspense and puts us in doubt of our security. I pray that you speak to it, Right Honourable Speaker.
Honourable Aisha and Honourable Members of Parliament, I strictly communicate what comes within my knowledge. I am actually hearing what you're saying for the first time. My office is closed. I don't sit in the street there to see whatever happens. I will follow it up and find out what happened. I will find out what happened, and once I found out what happened, then I will communicate to the members. And if it so happened, then it was a very unfortunate incident. Next.
Most obliged, Honourable Speaker.
Just know that I'll communicate when I get the information.